其为我存在，要敢恨敢爱，坏的可能都淘汰。这种姿态，不爱也难。哦，听好了，我的风格没有标准。哦，听好了，我的独特，非同小可。爱，我是我的限量版，其实我独占。
Hey guys, Jay here of Silent Hill Oppa, and today we're going to be doing another DVD look at. And today we're going to actually be doing two because, well, one's kind of small, so I figured I'd just throw it in with this one. But we have here today HIStory2 and HIStory3 Make Our Days Count. We have both of these sets here to open today. I've opened these beforehand just to make sure everything was safe and contained in there. With that being said, here's the front of the HIStory2 DVD. You have the couple from Right or Wrong, and then Boundaries Crossed, which is adorable, and I missed this show. I probably should watch it again. Here's the side. CME Entertainment. Yeah, and then you got the logo here. The, Right or Wrong and Boundaries Cross HIStory2. And then some stuff there, which I can't read. Here is the back with all these pictures, and I guess little summaries of each version of the show, which is great. I love that they included lots of pictures. Got the official sticker and all these copyright information, all that jazz. And this size is the same as the other one. So let's take this out here. And here's the inside, and the front here is of Right or Wrong. The side is the same as the other side, but the back here is a boundary cross. It's just a full photo, which is really nice. Then you open it up inside, and you have Right or Wrong right here, which is such a great picture right there. And here's a disc for Right or Wrong, that's a really nice disc. I mean, yes. And here's Boundaries Crossed. And here's a picture for Boundaries Crossed right there. Okay, before we get into Make Our Days Count, I'm going to switch over to VoiceOver Jay, who's going to tell you about the discs inside.
VoiceOver Jay here, cringy as usual. However, honestly, I'm so hyped to review this HIStory2 DVD because it really exceeded my expectations. First things first, with this being a history DVD, most menus are animated. However, the subtitle screen is not, which brings me to my next point. This DVD has Chinese and English subtitles. Buying this DVD, I expected no subs since it's an earlier release, but I'm so happily wrong. The subtitles are nice quality, and I'm so happy the set has them. The DVD quality is also very nice. The frame rate drops a little here and there, but it's not too bad. But the show honestly looks just fine on this DVD, and if you choose to get this over watching it online, it's really not that much of a difference. Also, I forgot how much I love Stephen Chung and Fendi Fan, so like, bless them. I'm so happy to have this on DVD. Anyway, yes, I highly recommend this set. If you like HIStory2 or just BL drama in general, it's a great pickup.
And now we move on to Make Our Days Count, which I have such a love-hate relationship with the show. I loved it so much. That ending can fuck right the way off. I hate that ending, but this show was really good. The cast did amazing, and I had to buy the DVD. Like, I had to support it because I knew it wouldn't be doing that well. I knew it, and it's not really doing that well, so I had to support it. So on the front here, we have our main cast. I don't want to pronounce your name wrong. Chunchi or Chunchi, I don't know how to pronounce your name. I'm sorry. Wayne, yes, that's Wayne. Okay, so Chunchi and Wayne. And then you just have another picture of them here. HIStory3, HIStory2, probably from the makers of HIStory2. And yep, and just the logo on the side here. I'm going to take this off in a sec. Actually, just for a sec. You can just see the side here. And here's the back with pictures of the main cast, all four of them. Which, I love them. They did such an amazing job. Like, even if you don't like the way the show ended, like, you gotta admit the cast was amazing, and they did a great job. And here is this cute little picture at the bottom. And just some copyright info here. Sticker and all that fun stuff. And here's the other side. So, I'm going to take off this paper sleeve yet again. I do kind of like this though, the way Taiwan DVDs, they package their little special editions. I like this. I like it. Then we open it up here and we have another picture of the main cast. Which, again, they all did amazingly. Like, I love you guys. Thank you so much for making this great show. Yes, so I don't know what all this says. Okay, so inside here is gonna be, there's gonna be 2 photo cards here, well, they're postcards, so 2 postcards here, 2 postcards here, and artwork I'm gonna try not to let everything fall. So do this side first. And this is adorable. So here we have this picture. And they're precious. I stan. And here's this picture, which my heart is so warm. And here's disc 1 with Wayne and Chunchi. This is a great picture. HIStory3 has really done a really good job with the way that they've packaged their seasons, because the way Trapped was packaged was also really nice, and Make Our Days Count is no exception. Let's open this other side, and just, oh my god, my precious little heart, look at that. Just, I love this. I love this so much. And here we have another, oh god, okay, hold on. Another Wayne and Chunchi picture. And Y'all, which, again, I can't remember the names, but I do follow them on Insta, and I feel bad because I can't remember the names right now, but, like, I love them so much. And here's disc 2 featuring them, and just, it's a great picture. It's great. This show, I feel so bad that it had a shitty ending because it was amazing. Okay, before we wrap this up, I'm going to switch over to VoiceOver J once again to review the discs inside.
I'm back twice in one video? Do I get extra pay? You're not getting paid. Damn it! Anyway, I'm now reviewing the HIStory3 Make Our Days Count DVD set, and I'm honestly a little underwhelmed. Coming off the DVD set for Trapped, which had a lot of content, Make Our Days Count has a lot less. The menus, except for scene selection, all are static, which HIStory2 and Trapped both have animated menus, so that's a bit disappointing. But at least it has music and the screens are cute, I guess. The set does have Chinese and English subs, which are great. The English subs are well done, and if history continues, I can only imagine them getting better with future releases. The DVD quality is also very nice. There's 5 episodes per disc, but they don't feel like they've downgraded all that much. Now, here's something that really is a bummer to me. Trapped has special features, and I was expecting Make Our Days Count to also have special features. Sadly, that's not the case. And I really feel like the set needed it, because the show had a shitty ending, as we all know. If you haven't watched the show yet, be prepared. And I really think it needed some cute behind the scenes moments or an alternate ending, but we don't get any of that. And maybe they cut costs because they had a feeling this wouldn't do well, but honestly, this would have sold a lot better had they did that, in my opinion. Overall though, this set isn't bad, and the price is definitely reasonable. If you love the show, it's obviously a must-buy, but if you haven't seen the show, I would recommend watching it on Viki first. Make sure you have tissues. A lot of them.
Overall, this DVD set just, my heart. I love the show, and I really also love HIStory2, and I'm so happy to own these now. I'm really hoping for HIStory4, but the way this one did, I don't know if that'll happen, but I really do hope so, and I hope they don't do what they did with this, though. Don't hurt us again. That shit hurt. Now I almost have a complete history set. All I'm missing is the DVD for HIStory1, but that is hard to find, so I don't know when I'm going to be getting that one. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it, and if you did, please like and subscribe for more Asian drama and K-pop content, because here at Sananghae Oppa, that is what we do, and I hope to see you guys soon. This has been Jay here. Love you guys. Bye.